Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, stock number 7059. This ran from the 4th 2013 to the 2nd 2022. Here's a WK 3 litre 6-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a WK 3 litre V6 turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard, less flare, left front 20-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 20-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 20-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 20-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,